In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for DevOps Teams. We'll go through the core setup process so you can organize development work, track operations, and improve visibility across your delivery pipeline. If your team handles code changes, deployments, infrastructure, and incident response, Jira can become a central place to manage that work clearly and consistently. To begin, log into Jira and create a new project. Open the Projects menu, select Create Project, and choose Jira Software. At this stage, you'll decide between a Kanban project and a Scrum project. Kanban is usually a good fit for continuous delivery workflows, where work moves steadily through the system. Scrum is better if your DevOps team works in planned sprints. After that, enter the project details and click Create. Once the project is ready, open Project Settings and go to Issue Types. Here, set up the types of work your DevOps team needs to track. Common examples include task, bug, incident, change request, deployment task, and infrastructure work. This is important because different types of work often need different handling, priorities, and reporting. Next, start creating DevOps tasks. Click Create, choose the correct issue type, and fill in the key details. Add a clear task summary, a useful description, environment details, the priority level, and the assignee. For example, you might create a task for upgrading a production database server, mark it as high priority, and assign it to a DevOps engineer. The more precise the issue is, the easier it will be for the team to act on it quickly. After that, connect Jira with your development tools. Go to Settings, open the integration settings, and link the platforms your team already uses, such as source code repositories, CI CD tools, and cloud services. It's also a good practice to include Jira issue keys and commits, because that helps Jira connect technical activity directly to the related work item. Now, when you open a Jira issue, you can use the development section to track branches, commits, pull requests, and deployments. This gives your team a simple way to monitor progress from development through production without switching between too many tools. You should also create a DevOps-focused workflow. In project settings, open workflows and add statuses that reflect your delivery process, such as backlog, in development, code review, testing, ready for deployment, deployed, and done. Save the workflow so your team can move work through each stage in a consistent way. When operational issues happen, create incident issues right away. Include impact details, root cause information, and resolution steps. You can also link incidents to related bugs or change requests, which makes recovery tracking and follow-up much easier. Finally, use automation in project settings to reduce repetitive work. Create rules to update issue status after deployment. Notify teams when incidents are created or assign tasks automatically. This saves time, improves consistency, and helps your DevOps team move faster with fewer manual updates.